Hey everyone, welcome to the Jet family of woodworking joiners. Starting with the 6-inch bench top, the 6-inch long bed helical head, and the new jet black 8-inch long bed helical head joiner. Hey everyone, welcome to the Jet 6-inch bench top joiner. Now this unit is a 1-horse 110 volt. It has the helical head with indexable carbide knives, cast iron in-feed, out-feed, and fence, and integrated dust collection, so it's ready for your woodworking shop.
This is the new Jet Black 8-inch helical head joiner. The Jet Black performance coating offers enhanced visibility, lower friction, and minimal maintenance, meaning no waxing or polishing, keeping your workflow steady and you in the game every single time. Featuring 4 rows of 36 4-sided carbide inserts, this helical head cutter provides smooth and precise cuts.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Jet 6-inch stationary joiner. This is a 1-horse 115 230 volt unit. Has long cast iron in-feed and out-feed and a cast iron adjustable fence. Upfront controls for your in-feed, out-feed, and your on and off. And it has a 4-inch dust port that'll hook to any of your standard dust collection systems. This is available at acmetools.com.